Hey everyone, welcome back. Here's how to fix the PrizePicks not available in your recent error on PrizePicks and understand what you can do to access the app. First, PrizePicks only works in supported regions. So, if you're traveling or outside a supported area, the app may or may not work. You must be physically located in a supported region to use it. Then, open your phone settings, then tap location services, and then make sure that they are turned on. Now, find PrizePicks in the app list and make sure to allow the location access. If you're using a VPN, turn it on. VPNs can hide your real location and cause this error. Then swipe up from the bottom of your screen, look for PrizePicks, swipe it away completely, wait for a few while, then reopen it. Then head over to your app store, search for PrizePicks and make sure the PrizePicks app is updated to the latest version. Updating your app ensures you have all the latest files and bug fixes, so update it. That's how to fix the PrizePicks not available in your recent error. Subscribe for more quick fixes.